are looking for effective home remedy that will help to get rid of stretch marks, then this video is for you. So keep on watching and make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Cheese Remedy. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys these 3 effective oil that when combined together, it will help to get rid of stretch marks. It doesn't matter the type of stretch mark you have. It doesn't matter how many years you have had the stretch marks. Those oils that will help you to make your stretch marks invisible. Of course, it's tested and trusted. Stretch marks might be caused due to weight gain, pregnancy, due to changes in your hormones, using harsh cosmetics, or maybe most times it's just there naturally. You just wake up one morning and you just find stretch marks on your skin, and we all know how it is. We are not comfortable with it because most times most clothes you love to wear, but you wouldn't wear them because of the stretch marks. So you don't need to worry, as this remedy is going to take care of that stretch marks. I just recently discovered these 3 oils. Special grace of God, you can't find stretch marks around my tummy area. No part of my body there is no stretch marks, because I started using all these remedies earlier on. So if you are pregnant, you can use this around your stomach area. If you are feeling itching, anytime you feel like scratching, just take this oil and massage it around your stomach area. So guys, don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you will get notifications. So guys, without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So to come up with this stretch marks oil, the first thing we are going to be needing is a small bowl like this one, and you are going to be needing a teaspoon as well for mixing. So the first oil we are going to be using is coconut oil. This is extra virgin coconut oil. You can make it from the comfort of your kitchen. So we are going to be using 1 teaspoon of this coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce healing for existing stretch marks because of its ability to hydrate the skin. It will also help to reduce itching associated with stretch marks. So we are going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So the next oil we are going to be adding is castor oil. So we are going to be using about ½ teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil contains unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid that is called ricinoleic acid. I hope I'm correct with the spelling, but I'm going to put it down there. So when it comes to stretch marks, castor oil will help to reduce and diminish the appearance of stretch marks. So the next oil we are going to be adding to this recipe is aloe vera oil. So I made this aloe vera oil myself. I used olive oil as a carrier oil. Olive oil contains plenty of antioxidants and vitamin E. So if you are using this recipe regularly, it will help to diminish the appearance of stretch marks. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera oil. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with this aloe vera oil. Aloe vera is a natural healing agent. It helps to regenerate your skin tissue because of its miraculous healing properties. So when it comes to skin related issues, aloe vera is a yes because it is very miraculous and very effective. So the next thing we are going to be adding is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good when it comes to your skin care, when it comes to your boosting your skin collagen. So I'm just using only 1. So what you're going to do is just to mix these oils together. Mix it very well to get a uniform combination. So guys, you can feel free to double your oils if you want to make it in a large quantity, because I still have left over from the previous oil that I make. So that is why I'm making it in a smaller quantity to show you guys how to come up with this oil. So when you are done mixing it together, you are just going to use a small bottle like this. Make sure you sterilize and wash properly. Turn in your oil into the bottle and cover it up. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm going to show you how you are going to use this oil to see the effectiveness of this oil. So what you are going to be doing, if you want to use this oil, you are going to take few drops of this oil into your palms. So we are just going to rub your palms together until you start feeling that warmthness. Then you can go ahead and apply it on your skin where you have stretch marks, all over your body, your arms, anywhere you know you have stretch marks. So just go ahead and use it. So for those of you that are pregnant, it's best to start using this recipe at the early stage of your pregnancy, especially when you feel itching. Most times you feel like scratching. So just use this oil, especially before bedtime. When you want to go to bed, just use it and massage your stomach, or anytime you feel itching, you feel like scratching, just apply few drops and rub it. You can also mix this oil as well, mix it with your cream. It's also good. It's also a very good moisturizer. Is good for your skin. So you can just go ahead and rub it all over your body. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. We have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload a new video, you will get notifications. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye bye. See you in my next video.